Every year, millions of tons of tomatoes begin their journey in fields like these. Specialized harvesters can process up to 30 tons per hour. The mechanical fingers separate fruit from vine in seconds. Inside, the first sorting begins immediately. Only the ripest make it past the first grade.
Elevation systems move thousands of pounds every minute.
When full, the harvester signals for unloading.
Trailers line up for the journey to processing.
Let's roll out.
The signal is given. Transport begins.
Tons of fresh tomatoes head to the highway. 5 miles ahead, the processing plant waits. This facility processes 200,000 tons every season.
Approaching gate now.
Drivers deliver multiple loads daily during peak harvest.
Copy that. Gates open. Proceed to dump station Alpha.
Communication ensures smooth offloading procedures.
Security ensures only quality loads enter the facility.
Back, back, back!
Precision positioning ensures safe unloading. Hydraulic systems handle the weight with ease. 20 tons tilt toward the receiving hopper. The cascade begins. Nature meets industry. Gravity does the work. Tons disappear in seconds. Beneath the surface, the journey continues underground. The first wash removes field debris and dirt. Millions of gallons wash the harvest clean. Upward toward the sorting floor.
Inside, human eyes join mechanical precision.
Trained hands remove what machines miss.
Each tomato is judged in a fraction of a second.
Technology adds another layer of quality control.
Elevation prepares them for the next stage.
Different lines create different products. We follow the pace line.
The final wash uses heated water and agitation. Scrubbed, rinsed, and ready for transformation. Dried and pristine, they enter the processing core. Beyond these doors, the heart of production.
Welcome to the Processing Cathedral.
6 lines run simultaneously, processing tons per hour.
From outside, the scale becomes clear.
Every shift, supervisors monitor quality and flow. Security tracks every person in the facility. Strict hygiene protocols protect product purity.
Every worker becomes part of the sterile environment.
30 seconds minimum. Contamination is the enemy.
And now, back to the tomatoes.
Line 3 specializes in premium paste production. Industrial choppers reduce whole fruit to pulp. Blades turn 20 times per second. Pumps move thousands of gallons through the system. Pressure drives the pulp upward and forward. Elevation and heat, the transformation intensifies. Preheating begins the concentration process. Human oversight ensures nothing goes unnoticed.
Level 3 houses the advanced separation systems.
Vibrating screens separate pulp from waste at high speed. Gravity and vibration do the sorting naturally. Pure pulp falls through. Impurities slide away. Nothing is wasted. Even rejects have purpose.
Smooth and pure, ready for further refinement.
Not a single seed fragment survives this stage.
Every batch is tested before moving forward.
Brix levels determine concentration.
Batch 347 approved for evaporation.
Copy that. Opening line to evaporators.
Communication coordinates every step of the process.
Sending batch 347 to evaporator line 2.
Automation and human judgment work as one.
Digital precision guides physical reality. And now, the transformation into paste begins. Inside this column, water becomes vapor. Pulp becomes paste. This is where tomatoes become what the world knows as paste. Multiple effects multiply efficiency. Each stage concentrates further. Each stage removes more water, building concentration. Viscosity increases, paste is taking form.
Vacuum allows concentration without excessive heat.
Final concentration achieved, 28% solids.
Perfect.
Hot paste must cool before the next transformation. Controlled cooling preserves the product's integrity. Automated routing sends paste to its designated fate. Flash sterilization kills all microorganisms instantly.
Tank farms hold product until packaging lines are ready.
100 feet from tank to can. Welcome to the sterile packaging environment. Every can arrives exactly when needed. Timing is everything. Position confirmed, the fill begins. 820-22 grams, within 0.1 accuracy. Double seaming creates an airtight, permanent bond. Artificial vision catches what human eyes cannot. Every can receives its unique identity. 500 cans sealed inside a pressure chamber.
Locked and sealed, the sterilization cycle begins.
90 minutes at 240 degrees, no bacteria survives. Under pressure, heat penetrates to every can's core. Cycle complete, opening chamber.
Cycle complete. 500 cans are now shelf stable for years.
Sterilized, sealed, and ready for the world.
Automation handles the heat humans cannot.
Rapid cooling prevents overcooking and preserves quality.
Labels transform anonymous cans into branded products. Pressure and precision. The label becomes permanent. Digital eyes verify every detail before packing. Robots pack faster than any human team could. 12 cans lifted as one, placed with millimeter precision. Sealed and secure for the journey ahead. Weight and purity, both confirmed automatically. The final assembly, cases become pallet loads. Layer by layer, a pallet grows before our eyes. 1,400 pounds ready for global distribution.
Wrapped and protected from warehouse to destination.
Identity secured, tracked from this moment forward.
Picking up pallet TZ347.
From production to storage, the warehouse awaits.
1,500 pounds balanced on precision forks.
Through the production heart toward storage.
Into the cathedral of storage. Organized abundance. 10,000 pallets, each awaiting its call to market.
Precision placement at 12 feet. No room for error.
While some pallets enter, others exit to fulfill demand.
Need pickup at B14-2.
Digital commands orchestrate physical movement.
First in, first out. Freshness maintained through discipline.
Staging ensures accuracy before the final journey.
24 pallets will fill this trailer to capacity. Efficient loading maximizes every shipment.
Load secured. Secured for 1,000 miles of highway ahead. Looks good, appreciate it.
Documents flow as smoothly as product, both essential. Before any product ships, the lab gives final approval.
Each sample undergoes a dozen tests before approval.
Color is measured, not judged. Objectivity rules. 48 hours reveals any contamination.
Zero growth, pass.
No growth means perfect processing, the ultimate validation.
Digital approval releases 20,000 pounds to commerce.
Rich tomato flavor, appropriate sweetness, no off flavors, smooth texture.
Agreement among trained pallets confirms quality.
Accurate instruments ensure accurate results. Calibration is continuous.
Documentation proves what words cannot.
Excellent month.
Numbers tell the story of unwavering quality.
Make sure you have the correct paperwork. We need a forklift on Dock 7 immediately.
Unit steady at 40 degrees. Couplings.
Unit 47 departing Dock 3.
Seal confirmed. You're all set. Have a safe trip. Thanks, appreciate it.
Order 72 underway. Confirm the paste cases are loaded. Requesting clearance for aisle 4.
Yes, we checked it against the manifest. Let me sign for it.
The journey ends here, from field to shelf in 72 hours.
The store is now open. One customer, one can, but behind it, an orchestra of precision. Thank you. Thanks.
And this is how modern factories produce tomato paste from start to finish, from California fields to kitchen tables worldwide.
Support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and enabling notifications for future content.